Hello. I wanted to do a video today about what I do on a rainy day. The weather is yucky, and I'll probably just be hanging out around the house, something simple and silly. So follow me along on this day. Really bad. So here we are in the laundry section of the house. You can see that it also works as bike storage and cat post tower area. So I just did some laundry today, washed my sheets. Haven't done it in a few weeks. Don't lie to me and say that you do it a lot often, because you don't. Stop. Now you can watch me as I change them. Actually, I'm just going to take them out of the dryer. They're done. Okay, now we've made it to my bedroom of the house. I am going to put the sheets on the bed, make up the bed. I always make up my bed every morning. It's a pet peeve of mine. I couldn't today, though, because the sheets were being washed. So we're going to do that. It's okay. Anything goes on a slow, rainy day. This is not what my bed looks like. I decided to wash the top part of my comforter because I wanted to. So let's just move on from that. We are in the kitchen area. So now I am going to clean a little, organize. At the end of the day, the question is, why do people feel a need to clean their home? And often it is, for me, because I probably need to switch to a gluten-free diet completely because my stomach is so messed up. But my desire to do that is dwindling fast, even though I'm at a ripe young age. Hello, it's me. I got done cleaning the kitchen, and I'm in the mood to renovate. So I took down the shelf that was on that wall, and I think I'm gonna move some stuff around in my room because it's making me a little anxious. It feels a little like wah, and I don't want it to. Okay. I ain't no chunky girl. I did break the stool I was standing on to put that shelf up.